Mego filda anyadwe me UK. Filda anyadwe me UK ket ie rom me mego filda kachiel ke mego la yira me UK bene mego la yira me omoro ni la yira me omoro ni ene la yira me UK wan ki gulai school no wabar oji wabarani laika la yira me UK la yira me omoro kachiel kimego la ke Christine mego Christine la ke me UK Christine la ke la yira filda anyadwe. These are very strong Acholi women, very strong Acholi mothers, very strong personalities. Ma aramir wajoneni kadi king ekwi food and pretty proud of them. Wa king ekwi eni Christine lake la yira kachiel ki filda nyadwe wuna deke wen anyira UK anyira England wun we anyira London ba ero kakama wunu ye tie gankanyi ya Acholi. We are so proud of you. Amira met Mego Malia Mabe from the Abe family. We are also proud of you. And we don't fear to tell the truth about the four of you and many others who are still to be brought Iwanka Merakany. I am so honored. Me bogolokedu iwiyamo. I am proud of you. Wono beru monluo maka ngato neno wukite wiyeche ngate no men. Mego Malia Mabe from the Abe family. Abe family mukeneti UK, mukeneti US. Abe family mukeneti Pajokany. Filda anyadwe family mukeneti in the UK. Family ne mukeneti Pajokany. Christian lake family ne mukeneti abroad in the UK mukeneti Pajokany. We are proud of you, Acholi women, the daughters of the land, daughters of the soil. We are proud of you. Kawun furutie wangeni dwandwa futie. Bien, without mincing any word, without mincing words, one wangeni wunu beru mege mautek uroma kicho doka ulogo pinyenge. Acholi karinge mwaka pa, karinge mwaka di wang maneno mo anyira Acholi igini malu nyingi wang aneno mo mona Acholi igini monluo igini oluto wan machala Acholi wa recognizing again manu watika team appreciating the way kid Magen is so proud of us. Magin luenyo pitwer pa wan dok bene piema nika ngato mo mero lanyo wa chi gene ti ready no ba me du gum amaru wonu taken freedom fighters, wonu taken human rights defenders, wonu taken luchon do apa Acholi. I'm proud of you. a boss maker regional.